Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Gin win, pin win, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's draw a Christmas tree together. Imagine a triangle in your head. Create the first, topmost and smallest triangle with continuous V patterns. Hide the tip of the triangle number 2 and make it slightly bigger than the first one. The third triangle will be bigger than the second. We are following the shape of a cone, reaching downwards. Amazing work done up till now. The fourth one will be bigger in size than triangle 3. Complete it in zigzag V patterns. Woohoo! We are almost at the end. Let's make our largest fifth triangle in the same fashion. Now let's make the last and final largest part of the tree with our sixth triangle. With this drawn, we come to the bottom end of the tree. Make a huge star at the top of the cone. One triangle overlapped by another inverted triangle. Erase the in-between lines. Good job! Create a sharp and pointed U at the bottom, which denotes the bark of the tree. Let's add more bushes and leaves to decorate the Christmas tree. Great work! Draw some Christmas balls to beautify the sketch. Color. The pine tree will be colored entirely in green. Color the bark in brown. Make the star stand out with a contrasting shade. We have chosen yellow. Color the Christmas balls in red. That's looking great. Decorating Christmas trees is a great way to invite Santa Claus to our homes. It brings in a lot of positive energy and good luck. Share this special Christmas tree artwork with family and friends.
Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.